Hi guys, I'm Stan from Fuse HVAC and Appliance Repair, and today we are going to introduce you with our new system. This system it was assembled and done by company Fuse HVAC and Appliance Repair together with Bryant, and this system is just brand new system, and it just was certified by Bryant. And what it does, it actually allows us to use this beautiful slimline air conditioner outdoor condenser unit with a traditional classic furnace, which we usually use in our houses. What made this system so unique? Actually, this particle part of the system, because it's one of the most efficient systems on the market now. It's 25 SEER. Also, it combines high efficiency with extremely low noise level. It's like about 60 in a high mode. And also, it allows us to use our existing system as a dual fuel system. So we use our classic furnace with newest heat pump system. Right now we're going to turn on the system, and then we will see how it works together with furnace, and we will also turn off the furnace to see how it works by itself. So let's try to turn it on. Right now we have our decibel meter here, and it shows us noise level, and probably it shows a lot of noise from my mouth, but when we will start the system, I promise I will shut up. Right now we just started our system. It's on full, it just reached full capacity now, and what we're going to do, we're going to try to turn off the furnace to see how much noise it produces, because in our stand here we can't really see how quiet is that, because right now furnace makes much more noise than air conditioner. So we're going to turn it off and we will see what's going on. Nice. So right now I'm going to shut off the power, and we will come back. So, as you can see, it produces extremely low noise, together with no vibration, small profile. So, if we have any kind of concerns or problem with local codes and requirements, we will be able to use this system as close as building as 4 inches, and as far as property line as our property code, local code requires. If we compare this system with the closest competitor, it's roughly about 30, maybe 35% less expensive. It's again, it's up to 25 SEER, about 60 decibel noise level, and it has a high level efficiency compressor on this particular unit, and also it's like 15 inches wide. And again, this system, it's properly certified by Bryant Corporation, and so it means we will be able to use it as a new system in our houses.